Hi, my name is Ryan Mack. I'm an application engineer here at DesignPoint, and what I'm going to do is show you the benefits of using the auto routing feature in SOLIDWORKS Premium. So the routing feature is an add-in for SOLIDWORKS Premium, as I previously stated, and what I'm going to show you here is how we can utilize that to make a quick and easy pipe route. So what I'm going to do here is go to the Design Library tab, and I'm going to go to the flanges here. I'm going to take this slip-on weld flange, and I'm going to bring that here into the assembly. And using mate references, that is going to basically snap that flange onto this component here. I'm going to say, okay, I'd like to use this configuration. I'll click OK. And then here we'll be able to select either default templates or custom templates to your liking. So we're just going to run with the default for the purpose of this demo, and we'll click OK. And once we're through that, you can see that the path is started. So what we're going to do is bring in our other slip-on weld flange. I'm going to bring that over here using our mate references. That's going to align over on the side here. I'm going to say this configuration is OK. As you can see, that path is started as well. And what I'm going to do now is go to the auto route option here. And I'm going to select the 2 points that I want to connect. So we're going to select this one here and this one here. As you can see, we get a path generated here. If we do want to change that path, we have the option to switch between our alternate paths here. So using the up and down arrows, we can go between different paths to find one that is desirable for us. So let's say we want to use that path right there. We'll click OK. And at this point, we are free to do some modifications. We can pull this out here if need be. We can also go into the Sketch tab, add a dimension, and define our sketch even further. So let's make this 50 inches here. As you can see, that brings that out. So we're fully defined at that point. Check off on that, exit our sketch, and you can see how quick and easy that was to add the piping to the assembly here. And you can see over here we do have the subassembly is now included in the overall assembly, and the breakdown of components, route parts, and also the route if you do need to make modifications in the future to the sketch. So as you can see, very beneficial, very quick. Instead of me using the traditional modeling methods to a bunch of extrusions and making these elbows and such, we did all that with the click of a button. So super easy to use, and yep. So that is the auto routing feature within SOLIDWORKS Premium, and we'll catch you in the next video.